Hello everyone, you're welcome to Farming in Africa, and my name is Godfred. Today we are here at the poultry pen to share with you the basic routines that we do here at the farm, from their feeding, giving them water, picking their eggs to evening when we all live here at the farm. So come with me as we go inside to see where we mix the feed, the quantity of the commodities. As you all know, we have soya beans, wheat brown, shells, and then jubali we mix together to feed them. So let's go inside to see where we mix the feed and also where we keep the eggs. All right, so basically this is one structure that we've put it out for mixing the feed and also storing the eggs. So here's the eggs. As you can see, that's Fred, as you see they're planning on the farm. Yeah, so this is where we mix the feed, and we've already mixed it. So early morning when we get here, we get our rubbers. The rubbers are over there. So we put in some of the feed, then we take it inside. So when we take it in, we feed it to them. And also the next thing we do when we arrive here after feeding is we give them the water. As you all know, water is very essential. So we will go to where the water is. They are already giving them the water. They've already given them the feed. I didn't come early today at the farm. Yep. So let's get there to see. So if you are starting a poultry pen and you don't want to do your storage area, maybe from your pen you can leave one pen. As you can see, we have 50 by 50 pen, and we have 10,000 capacity. So we've reserved one for the storage of the eggs and also where we feed them. So we also have a tap here. That's where the water that we give to the poultry every day. So after we've given them the second water after their feed, the next thing we do is to wait for some hours, because they are feeding. We cannot just go in and then pick up the eggs. So what we do is we wait for some time and then we pick the eggs. So now we are giving them the water, as you can see the guys are doing. So after the water, we wait for some time, as I said, and then we pick up their eggs. So after this, we wait for some hours. So after the eggs, we also come in to check if there's water, or if there's no water, we then give them another one in the afternoon. Yeah.
Hi there, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video, and welcome to the Farming in Africa YouTube channel. We are mostly into livestock, and when we talk about livestock, then one of the biggest challenges in Africa is when it comes to animal feeding. And that is why we have introduced two major seeds to feed our animals, which is the alfalfa seed and the brachiaria grass. Contact us for more details about how to get this grass and how these grass are making our livestock more successful and productive. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So after the second water, we also wait around 4-5 p.m. We give them their second feed. So maybe you, if you are starting the poultry, maybe you will plan like you do your feed at your pen, or you take it to a machine. For us, for ours, we do it here. And mixing our feed here, we do for one day, like in the morning and then in the evening. So after the second feeding, we also pick the last eggs. So that will be around 4-5, and picking the eggs takes about 1 hour, because we have 5,000 birds left here. So we pick the eggs, and then meaning that we are getting closer to the end of the day. So as you can see, they've laid their eggs there. So when you're coming, then you just put them aside, then you pick your egg. Yeah. So after the last picking of the eggs, then we check everything here at the farm to see if there is water for the next day, or if there is feed that we can give them for the next day. We plan for the next day. If there is no feed, meaning we have to take our Oboya to town to buy feed for them. Or yeah. So that's basically what we do here at the poultry farm every day. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will end here so that next time I will be giving you updates from the farm, what is going on here at the farm. Yep, so this is basically what we do every day at the poultry pen. So that is our routine at the poultry pen. See you in another video, because there will be more updates from the farm, what is going on at the cattle ranch, the poultry, the goats, as you saw them in the previous video. Yep, so thank you for watching and see you in another video. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and then hit the notification bell to get notified for all our videos. Thank you and see you next time.